Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a battery from this. This is a asus x551m and replace it with a new one. This one you'll have to open the whole thing, all the screws, and remove the battery. Removing the battery on this laptop is quite different. It's not like the normal ones that has clip. Say another one. Like this one that has clip. So not like that. This is quite different. You'll have to take off all the screws and get the battery out from that. So let's begin. This is the battery, replacement battery I got. Got it from Amazon. Should be okay, it's got good reviews, so let's see how this does. So you might be wondering why I'm changing the battery on this laptop. Yeah, it's because it's old and it shows it's charging, but in reality, see that? It doesn't go over 0%. I'm gonna stop it here. So this is what happens. 10 minutes. %. That's why I'm changing the battery on this laptop. Yeah, might be a problem with this as well, but I got the battery, so thought to give it a go and see how it does. Sometimes it might be a problem with the battery or the charger or the motherboard itself. Since I have the battery, I'm gonna try battery. Guess it's the battery's fault. So to remove these screws, we need a Phillips screwdriver, and there are a few of them that has to remove. Some of the laptops, they have them on these rubber pads. You need to remove them, and screws are underneath it. But this one, I think all the screws are there, so well, I don't have to remove all of these. So let's go ahead and remove this Phillips screwdriver. So once the screws are removed, the back plate has to come off. So to remove that, normally use a prime tool, or you can use your nails. Since I cut my nails, I can't use it. My point of view, nails are the best tools. If I hadn't cut my nails, I would be using them to remove this back plate. So the plate comes off like that, and this is where the battery is. So if you just pull it out like this, this comes off. Maybe putting this one on, see how this does. Since I need to try how this battery does, I'm gonna put everything back in. Just connect these and see how it does. If it charges or not. So the light is glowing. Let's see. this is charging, so this should be okay. Let me remove and see if it keeps on. Yeah, it does. So this is all good. I'm gonna pack it up. And yeah, one more thing. What I'm gonna do is I've got 8 GB of RAM on my other laptop. I'm gonna see if I can put this on or not. Let's see if this works or not on that one. So to take the RAM, I need to remove all of the screws, which I don't like. The problem is, I don't know if they are compatible or not. This one's just got one. No point getting that one out. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Okay, this is all done. I'm gonna pack it up and it's gonna be good. And I'll charge it up for a while and see how it does. Let's see if this goes up or not. Okay, this is all done. We should be able to charge. To pack it is just screwing all those screws. That's all. Some of these are very long screws, some of these are short. I don't know where they go, so I'm just gonna put them wherever I feel like. Okay, this is all done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Next week I'm gonna be replacing a screen on this MacBook. So stay tuned if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much and have a good day.